goodness, Bennett.
Okay, Bennett. See what's in there.
Going to town, right?
It was.
You are going to town. Oh, it's a baby seat. Oh. No, I think it's just like this one. There's something else inside it. Something different.
My first RC. Oh, it's a fire truck.
Oh. Come on, Bennett. Pull
It's
this
a
up.
remote control fire truck.
Look, Daddy's helping. Look, Daddy's got the top open, Bennett.
Here
See
you go,
what's in
Bennett.
there.
You get through that stuff.
Look, it's a remote control fire truck. Look. Wow.
Oh, did you find something in
What
there?
is it?
There's something in there? Oh,
Oh,
my God. It's heavy, huh? Oh, my goodness.
Take them over there and let Papa.
Let Papa help you.
Chase, you want to take yours over? Oh my goodness. Chase, come
Go,
here.
Chase. What are you doing under there, bud?
He just wants that unwrapped present.
Chase, look up here.
Chase,
Train or something.
hey, look back at mommy, Chase. Chase, look at mommy. Another present? No, that's it.
What do you say?
Saying it's
Uh-oh.
pretty darn good, Bennett.
I'll open my present.
You want to open your air?